folks, Margaret Klein coming to you live from 7548 Egret Drive here in Titusville, Florida. And we're doing a quick peek. Folks, that means you are not getting the entire home. You're going to get to see some of the home. And the some of the home I'm showing you right now is going to be the kitchen. So this kitchen has an amazing island with a cooktop on it. And then your oven is over there. And what this does? Lots of cabinets, folks. Lots and lots and lots of cabinets. More cabinets here, more cabinets there. All the way around this kitchen, you have all kinds of storage. And we all have too much kitchen stuff, don't we, folks? Way too much. But we never want to get rid of our way too much. It's ours. So this home will enable you to put it all away and have some little bit of space left over. It does have a nice skylight up here, a little bit of blue sky up there. And then, folks, right out this window that you'll be able to look out while you are cooking. We've got a nice lake out there. We're on 1.38. Let me say that again, 1.38 acres, folks. That means you have an amazing, expansive yard. And there's that little squirrel running across there. It's kind of cool. You can sit here and you see all the little wildlife running around. We got the squirrels, we got the herons, we got the ducks. And I have not been fortunate enough yet to see a deer, probably because I'm not here in the evening or early morning. But I have heard that the deer wander across also, which would be super cool to be sitting on your huge back patio, which does run the whole length here. I'll give you one more little sneak peek there. Whole length of the back of the house. So you've got 3 double doors to that. One from the family room, one from the dining room, and one from the primary bedroom. So lots of ways to get out there on that back patio and enjoy your yard and your water view. And as a bonus, I'm going to say that that little bar area over there is kind of part of the kitchen. So we'll go ahead and cruise over and take a look at that too. Ton more cabinet space. Awesome little place to set up a bar area or a coffee station if you prefer. But it's also got some bar stool area on this side. So amazing, amazing features in this home, folks. So if you would like to come see this home, you can give me a call, Margaret Klein, 321-480-7662. Or if you're already working with an agent, just call your agent up or shoot him a text and say, hey, I want to see 7548 Egret Drive, Titusville, Florida, and I want to see the whole house, not just a little piece of the house. So come on down, take a look. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, folks. I put a ton of video walkthroughs on here, not just my homes, other agents' homes as well. So you can see plenty across the Space Coast. And on top of that, I put some other home buying tips and some recipes for your new kitchen, because we hope that if you are looking at these videos, you're ultimately looking for that new kitchen. Margaret Klein signing off, Titusville, Florida. Have an amazing day.